In today's video, we are going to show you how to cite on EDPUZZLE. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the left side area of your dashboard panel and click the My Content. Now here, all I have to do is hover to the video that you wanted to cite. For example, this specific video. Make sure that the video is fully loaded so you can view all its details. Okay? So you want to make sure to take note of the following information. For example, video title, creator or teacher's name, original source if it's going to be a YouTube video, Vimeo or EDPUZZLE itself, year of publication if available. Now, these details are essential for any citation format. Now, I'm going to click the share preview. Okay, I'm going to copy the link provided because this URL will be included in the citation. Now, very quickly, I am going to the documents that I am creating. For example, this document. Now, this is an APA style. Okay, with the APA style, we have the creator's name. Of course, the format is going to be the author. And at the bottom is exactly the URL link, which is going to be this one. Okay. Now, if you are not sure where to find any samples of citation, you can use AI tools like Perplexity. On the prompt, type in API style examples, press enter, and it would give you a result for you to use if you haven't had the chance to create an API style. All right, for example, this one. Now, once you are done, all I have to do is click the save button and then download if you wanted. And basically, that's how you cite on EDPUZZLE. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.